All right, welcome everyone. Today we've got Zartan's sister, Zarana. She still does change color a little bit out in the sun, but I wanted to show her before I went out there to that. I did find her weapon. I don't know what the point of a gun with a, it's not even a saw blade. It looks like a boat propeller on the end of it. But, she's got her little cowboy boots and shirt, and the hair used to change color. I don't think it does anymore. I didn't notice it the other day. And like I say, even the color change is sort of subtle at this point. She sort of turns to it, has a green tinge to her now. One sort of interesting thing, I was going to change her O-ring out because she's a little loose. I don't know if you'll be able to see it there, but she does not have a screw in the back. She is either glued or sealed together somehow other than the standard G.I. Joes that I've been working on here lately. So that's, I think, it seems like back in the day, one of the ways to get these characters to change color was to dip them in water. So they may have just done that to make sure the screw didn't get rusty, based on all the rusty screws I've been pulling out of them as I replace them. But I'm gonna go outside and see if get the color change on film. Like I say, it's a slow process anymore, but it'll go. I'll be back and talk to you after that. Here we are. Here we are. She's still in the shade. So I'm about to move and hopefully we'll get some reasonable amount of action out of this. See if she perceptibly changes anytime pretty quick. Yeah, I think to my naked eye she looks, on her elbow there, you can see a sort of green tinge. It's a subtle change anymore. It's not like it was back when they would turn almost blue. And you can see a little bit of difference between her body and her neck there too, where the neck isn't changing as fast, I don't think. I hope it shows up on camera, but in person it's a perceptible change, but it's very subtle anymore. But I was going to go back and talk a little bit more, but I really don't have a lot to say about her. I mean, she's got her little boots with her spurs on it. I think I mentioned that. A lot of little details on the back, which is unusual for the Joes. Got whatever this strap is in there, and the texturing on the shirt, and especially the shoulders there. They both got, some kind of armor. But anyway, that's Zarana. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I'm going to keep going for a while yet. See you next time.